Welcome back to the railroad, everyone. Today is mail call, and it's time to unbox the newest locomotive release from ScaleTrains, the AC4400 CW. As you are about to see, this thing is really nice. This loco release also lined up with my pre-order of the PS 5820CF covered hoppers, so they are in the same box as well. But onto the locomotives. I ordered number 37 in the YN3 paint and road number 96 in the YN2 paint. Quick unboxing here. Typical packaging of ScaleTrains. Also the nice product manual, which includes all of the DCC functions. Both of the units that I purchased from ScaleTrains are DCC sound. Both of these units are beautiful. Number 37 is a repaint to the YN3 scheme and includes CTC antennas. And unit number 96 is a as-delivered unit. One of the latest features to the Rivet Counter series is the addition of painted wheels. Having these wheels painted the rust color is a great detail, and it's also an industry first. This is great if you're going to weather the unit or will leave the factory paint as is. Let's go ahead and start the unit up and check out some of the sounds and lights. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit the bell, that way you get notifications of whenever I post. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. I try to reply to everyone's comments. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.